Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing this fall makeup get ready with me today. You will have to excuse me, we are going to be filming in my bathroom for this, and I'm going to try to adjust the audio so you can hear me a lot better. I just had to whisper. I had to be quiet for the most part because my little one is asleep, but it is such a good get ready with me. I have some really interesting products that I think you guys will love for fall. It is this exact makeup look right here. I can't wait to show you guys, but before we go ahead and get started with the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel right down below. Hit that bell notification button so you're notified every time I upload a new video, and like this video if you're into get ready with me's. I love filming these. These are so much fun. So let's get right into it and play with some makeup. Okay guys, so I am in my bathroom now. Sorry if I'm talking quietly. I'll try to turn the volume up when I go to edit this video, but I'm in my bathroom because Waylon is asleep right next door, and I thought it would be easier to do it in my bathroom than my bedroom because it's been so gloomy outside that I use natural light when I'm in my bedroom, so it just like would not work out. And sorry if you hear our toilet running. It's been having some weird issues recently, but that's okay. We're gonna get straight into the makeup. The first thing I'm gonna use is this Smashbox Photo Finish Vitamin Glow primer. I used this the other day. This is brand spanking new, at least at Ulta, and I love it. I tested it out the other day and it feels so nice. It almost feels like a vitamin C serum rather than a primer. And then I just put this all in my T-zone and then just kind of spread it out. And this smells so good. It smells like an orange creamsicle if you've ever had one of those. I am breaking out really bad on my chin, if you can see. I'm gonna zoom you guys in a few minutes, like when I do my eyeshadow and everything, but it dries really nice. It's not sticky on your hands at all, and you really don't need that much. So I would definitely pick that up if you can. Like I said, it's brand new. I don't know if it's at Sephora, but it's at Ulta where I got mine. I am going to do the Fenty Matte Foundation. I use the shade 8G04, but it's a little too light at the moment. I'm kind of like in between. Like I tried to exfoliate my tan off, but it didn't all come off, so I'm just gonna put like a quarter of a pump of the bronzing drops by Drunk Elephant, and then I'll mix those together and put them all over my face. But I just use that and I just mix it with the Beauty Blender and apply it. I also like doing my makeup in the bathroom because I have a giant mirror in front of me, and it's honestly just easier for me to see. But I hope it's okay with you guys if we're doing this from like this angle. Scraping this NARS Creamy Concealer in vanilla, or it says light to vanilla. I think it's just like vanilla, but I'm like scraping the bits out of it. It's so empty, and I just kind of use that to do a base conceal and then lighten the middle portions of my face. And then I just wanted to emphasize and highlight the inner corners of my eyes, so I went in with this Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C3.5. This is really bright, so just be careful, but I love this. It's a really good dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape because it really does cover, but it's not as thick. I really like this one, but it's too bright to use as a normal concealer. I just do it like in the inner corners of my eyes. And then for powder, I am just going to be super basic right now and use my Laura Mercier powder. I would use the Beauty Bakery powder, but I just really want to mix it up, and I've been using that one a lot, and I feel like I've used it in previous makeup tutorials as well, so I kind of want to go like back to the basic. This is a great one, especially like to give you, in my opinion, like it's not matte and it's not like greasy. I feel like this powder gives a really good like velvet finish. And I am pulling out this Tarteist Pro Glow palette. I believe you can still get this, and I want to say Tarte is having a really big sale right now. It looks like a contour shade, and I think it is, but I use it as a bronzer and I still get fantastic results. And I just go along my jawline and then up on my temples and my forehead. I am not a beauty guru, like don't, like I love when you guys take my advice, but I am not like a professional at this. This is actually from a holiday collection last year, compact. It's super shiny. It's from Tarte. It actually came with 3 of these, and one of them has a chunk taken out from my toddler, but it comes with 2 blushes, a matte, a shimmer, and a highlighter. And I'm holding the mirror, but I don't want you guys to see that because I don't want you to like blind you. But I think I'm going to be using this middle shade from the holiday collection. This is in the shade Sleigh Bells. If you can see it, it's just a really pretty pink neutral. This, like, these are all matte products, but this primer is really peeking through my skin, and I love it. And for highlighter, I am taking this Smashbox Casey Holmes palette. I am going to be using this middle shade right here. It's more of a pearlesque, and it's called Crank It Up in her palette. I don't know if it's like the same when they discontinued her packaging. Going along the tops of my cheekbones. I do it pretty heavy. It's like super glowy, but I will definitely blend it out. I am going to be doing my brows off camera, and I'm also using the pomade in the shade Taupe from them as well. Okay guys, so I stood a little bit closer to the camera. These are my brows. I am no professional, like I said before, but I really like how they worked out today. Next, I am going to be working my eyes. I'm not going to like overload it with eyeshadow by any means. I'm going to be using the NARS. Look how pretty this packaging is. Palette. This is the Afterglow eyeshadow palette. This is so pretty, and it just screams fall to me. And I am just taking this right in my crease, trying not to go too heavy. I have a very light hand. And then on my lid, because I love a sparkly lid just because it's so much fun, I am going to take a paddle brush, and then I'm probably going to go into, I'm not going to go like glitter, but I am going to use this shimmer shade. It's called Shadow Hill. It's this one right here. I'm going to go in with my lip liner. This is the NYX, I believe this is the NYX Slide On Glide On lip liner. This is in the shade High Standards. This is like a really pretty orangey, like a rustic color for fall. It's so cute. And then I do just like kind of draw in the outer corners. And NYX, this is like, it looks really funny right now, but the NYX liners, they're so cheap and they are so stinking good, especially the Slide On Glide Ons. And then this Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipstick is in the shade Savage. I'm gonna put it right on top. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go fix my hair, and then we'll be right back. Okay guys, so I really hope you enjoyed that fall Get Ready With Me. I loved filming it. It was so fun. These are all probably my go-to products for fall at the moment. I know a lot of products, they're all available right now except the blush, which hopefully they get out soon because they are releasing their holiday sets or collection, so hopefully that comes out soon because I'd love to repurchase it. But other than that, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down below on what your fall makeup must-haves are for this year. I can't wait to get back with you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me